In this two-part video series, I want to do two epoxy alcohol ink tumblers using exactly the same ink colors, but different base colors, white and black. Will the tumblers look the same or not? Let's find out. Since the moment I have finished my very first alcohol ink epoxy tumbler, I was thinking, what role does the base color play here? With glitter tumbler, the glitter covers the whole tumbler surface with most glittering techniques, but what about alcohol ink? Deciding what colors to use was not easy. Obviously, dark blue or brown colors on black color surface would not stand out as much as they would on white base color. Also, when using black base color, you always use white ink to bring the color pigments to life and light them up. You don't usually do that with the white base color. So I have decided to go with fairly vibrant colors: coral pink, green, fire red, sky blue, melon yellow, and white. I was thinking twice if I should be using white ink on the white base color, but the test wouldn't count if the colors wouldn't be 100% the same. This video is not how-to step-by-step guide for absolute beginners. That's why I will speed up this video and will not provide a detailed explanation of every step I'm doing, as I used to do in other of my videos. This two-part series should be more informative, learning towards experimenting to see what we can do with alcohol ink tumblers. If you are a beginner and would like a more detailed explanation of each step I'm doing, I will leave a link in the description below. I have made plenty of videos with step-by-step instructions, which are very easy to follow. I must say, it has been a while since I have seen a tumbler with such bright, vibrant colors. I have been making tumblers usually with black base color, but after today's experiment, I think it is time to change this habit to brighten up my tumbler portfolio. In my next video, we will be using the same colors, but on a black base color. I cannot wait to see the results. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.